My innovation is the wilderness surveillance drone, which is designed after animals and to be built with materials and components that can be retrieved through recycling if necessary, although new parts are ideal. I was inspired to design it after visiting Tanzania and learning more about reserves and the relationship with the local economy. This drone is designed to combat poaching, which can originate from ignorance, greed, and desperation. The wilderness surveillance drone is designed as a preventative measure that can seek out and photograph poachers on reserves before they can kill animals and before rangers can be caught unaware. Animals can also be photographed, and these pictures can be sold to help provide funding for the reserve. Designed to be piloted by a person, this piloting role can be taken up by retired or disabled rangers and allows them to work. Unlike most drones, the wilderness surveillance drone is designed to glide amongst the trees where most drones would fail, and where many animals and poachers hide. By finding and identifying poachers, thousands of species could be saved worldwide, and risk would be significantly lowered for rangers. Thank you.